Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for Anatomy and Physiology, Thursday, April 2nd. Today we are going to assess your understanding of the skeletal system. To do that, you are going to turn in your skeletal system review and complete a short quiz over the skeletal system. This is in lieu of a test. So instead of having a test and worrying about test security and this and that, we're just going to do the review and the quiz, and that'll say you understand the skeletal system, you're good. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like in Schoology. So we're going to go into your Schoology page. Here's the home page. We'll go into our week of March 30th folder where that has all of our materials. Make sure that you complete the attendance question first and foremost. Get that done before 4 p.m. Next, you're going to worry about the skeletal system study guide. So you'll click on the link here, and in the description it has a link to a Google Doc of the skeletal system review. You are going to want to make sure to make a copy of this before editing it. You should just have view-only permission, so that's basically one of the few things you can do once you access that. So complete this study guide to the best of your ability, and you will submit the completed document to this assignment by 11:59 p.m. this lovely Thursday. We'll go back into this folder where you'll find the other assignment that you're going to be asked to do today, and that's going to be to take the skeletal system quiz. This is again also going to be done by midnight. So make sure that you are starting it and giving yourself enough time. This is not going to be live before Thursday. So if you don't see it right away, don't freak out, or you click on it and it says submissions are disabled. It will be active at about 7 a.m. on Thursday morning. So you'll go in, you'll take the quiz with a lot of these things that you've probably heard from other teachers is just be honest in your attempts. Trying to Google answers or use resources and materials that you're not being allowed to use, such as other people if they've taken it before you, is considered academic dishonesty. We want to make sure that you, not your friend or Google, understands the skeletal system. So I do ask that you try your best and you give your honest attempt to this quiz. All right. Those are your three things: attendance question, study guide, and quiz. As always, I'm available for assistance through email, Google Hangouts, and office hours. Let me know if you have questions. I'm always happy to help. Best of luck, and we'll see you next time. Bye!